So for problem number 5, at what coordinates does the curve y, ang curve daw natin y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 5 has a horizontal tangent line or the slope is 0. So again, kapag horizontal yung line natin, the slope is 0. So ang tinatanong sa atin is coordinates po. Ano daw yung coordinates natin when our slope is equal to 0 or basically our y prime is equivalent to 0. Alright, sige, let's try to solve this problem. So, ganun pa rin yung proseso. Ang kailangan pa rin natin kunin ay yung value nung ating magiging slope or yung ating first derivative. So, for step 1, we get our delta y. So, our delta y will be f of x plus delta x minus f of x. So, our delta y is x plus delta x squared, i-close natin dito, minus 6 times x plus delta x, okay, then plus 5 minus our original function na x squared minus 6x plus 5. Alright, so let's try to expand this one. So we have here x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 6x minus 6 delta x. Andito na tayo, no? Dinidistribute lang natin yung 6 plus 5. Then distribute naman natin yung negative operation or yung minus dito. Minus x squared magiging plus 6x minus 5. And then let's remove the enclosing bracket. Pwede na natin i-remove yung bracket kasi wala naman na tayong i-expand or i-distribute dito. Okay? Sa first expression. Ang kailangan na lang natin gawin is i-remove yung similar terms. So, x squared, tanggal na sila. 6x also, plus 5 minus 5. So, our delta y now becomes 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 6 delta x. Ayan. So, yan na lang ang natira. Factor out natin yung delta x. So, we have delta x multiplied by 2x plus delta x minus 6. Okay. So, this is now our answer for step 1. Again, kahit alin po dito, no? May mga problem kasi na hinihiwalay or nakasimplify kagad. May problem na naka-expand. So, for step 2, gagawin natin, kunin natin si delta y over delta x. So, our delta y will be the same value. So, i-copy ko na lang po ito. Ay, ito na lang. Copy natin. Then, and then face. Paste na lang natin dito. So, divide natin both side by delta x. So, delta x eliminated. So, our delta y over delta x is 2x plus delta x minus 6. Okay? So, this is the output of our step number 2. Next, for step number 3, we evaluate our limits. So, our dy over dx is the limit of delta y over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. Therefore, our dy over dx is the limit of 2x plus delta x minus 6 as delta x approaches 0. So, evaluate na natin tong limit kasi magsasubstitute na lang naman tayo ng 0. We have 2x plus 0 rather, hindi multiplied, plus 0 minus 6 or our dy over dx is 2x minus 6. May equation na tayo ngayon nung ating tangent line. Ito na yung first derivative. Ngayon, ang sabi ng problem, hindi naman yan daw yung hinahanap. Ang hinahanap niya, yung coordinates kapag yung slope natin ay 0. So, ang hinahanap ay yung x and y when y prime is equal to 0. So, ang gagawin lang natin is substitute natin yung 0 or dito sa ating slope. So, we have here 0. is equivalent sa 2x minus 6. Di ba ito yung dy over dx din naman? Gawin lang daw natin yung 0. So, i-transpose natin. Meron tayong minus 6 is equivalent to 2x. Let's divide both side by 2. Sorry, pag nilipat ko to, magiging positive na siya, no? So, divide both side by 2. Cancel. So, our x is equivalent to 3. Ayan yung unang coordinate natin. X is equal to 3. Sir, paano naman yung y? Para makuha naman si y, babalik ka doon sa original function. So, isa-substitute natin yung x is equal to 3 sa ating original function, which is y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 5. So, babalik ka sa original function. So, our y now is 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 5, or y is 9 minus 18 plus 5, which this will give us 9 minus 18 plus 5, negative 4. So, our ordered pair, when y is 0, ang point natin is 3, negative 4. This is our answer for this problem.